What's going on, folks? I wanted to make this video to show you what may be wrong. Vehicles, especially like in the Chevy Silverado, if for some reason it's leaking fluid but you can't figure out what's going on with it, your problem could be right here on your vehicle. These two hoses right here are supposed to be connected together. There's a little plastic piece that's supposed to run in between these two hoses that connected together, and on this vehicle the plastic piece had broke right here. That is the piece right there, and if you can see, this side and that side are supposed to have pieces that stick out on it that's supposed to then go in between these two pipes right here. It's supposed to connect. It's supposed to connect with these two pipes, and because that piece it broke, what had happened was it was causing the antifreeze to come out the vehicle, which was causing the vehicle to overheat. So if you're having an issue with your Chevy Silverado, it'll probably be the same for multiple different vehicles, like your Chevys, your Yukons. Any type of Chevy truck could have this same piece, but you want to check right here to make sure that this right here isn't your problem, because this is what was causing a problem on this vehicle. This little plastic piece that's right here had broke. One end of it was completely broken out, so all the fluid pretty much was coming out of this vehicle. So I just wanted to make this video to show you all what could be your problem if for some reason you keep losing your fluid and you don't know where it's coming out at. You want to check right here. If you pop your hood, this location is right here's where your hood would pop at. You want to come right here behind this piece right here, you see all this at, and look like up into where your fan would be at, kind of along the top of your radiator, running around the top of it, and you should see a pipe that should be put together with that plastic piece in the middle of it. So you want to watch that to make sure it's not leaking, and definitely make sure that it's not completely broke. All right, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share it. Thanks.